Sponsored by VSK Business Consultant. Business Buyer and Seller FAQ. 1. What are the primary reasons for selling the business? A. Seller provides reasons, e.g., retirement, new venture, etc. 2. Can I see detailed financial statements for the past 3 to 5 years? A. Seller provides access to P&L, balance sheets, cash flow statements. 3. What is the customer base like, and what is the customer retention rate? A. Seller provides data on customer demographics, loyalty, etc. 4. What are the key assets included in the sale? A. Seller lists tangible and intangible assets. 5. What are the existing contracts and liabilities I will be inheriting? A. Seller discloses contracts, loans, legal issues. 6. What is the transition plan, and what support will the seller provide post-sale? A. Seller outlines transition plan and post-sale support. 7. What are the potential risks and opportunities associated with this business? A. Seller discloses known risks and potential growth areas. 8. What is the buyer's financial capacity to complete the transaction? Seller's question. A. Buyer's answer. Buyer provides proof of funds or financing pre-approval. 9. What is the buyer's experience in this industry or business type? Seller's question. A. Buyer's answer. Buyer outlines relevant experience. 10. What are the buyer's plans for the business after the acquisition? Seller's question. A. Buyer's answer. Buyer explains their plans for the business. 11. What is the proposed purchase price and payment structure? Seller's question. A. Buyer's answer. Buyer presents offer and payment terms. 12. What are the terms of the confidentiality agreement? Seller's question. A. Buyer, seller's answer. Both parties agree on confidentiality terms. 13. What are the buyer's expectations regarding the seller's involvement post-sale? Seller's question. A. Buyer's answer. Buyer explains desired level of seller involvement. 14. What is the timeline for the due diligence and closing process? Seller's question. A. Buyer, seller's answer. Both parties agree on a timeline. 15. What are the intellectual property assets associated with the business? Buyer's question. A. Seller's answer. Seller provides information regarding patents, trademarks, copyrights, and trade secrets. 16. What is the status of the real estate, owned or leased? Buyer's question. A. Seller's answer. Seller provides information about real estate. 17. What are the employee contracts, and what is the employee retention rate? Buyer's question. A. Seller's answer. Seller provides information about employee contracts and retention. 18. How was the sale price determined? Buyer's question. A. Seller's answer. Seller explains the valuation methodology. 19. What are the current market conditions that affect this business? Buyer's question. A. Seller's answer. Seller provides insight into market dynamics. Thanks for meeting. Both buyers and sellers were satisfied. Stay connected with VSK Business Consultant for more valuable insights. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow our WhatsApp channel, and connect with us on Facebook and Instagram for the latest updates and expert advice.